I was trying to access case status and court details using the eCourt app, but it just wouldn't load. Sometimes it froze, other times it failed to open completely. If you're facing the same issue, here are 2 simple things you can try to fix it without messing with any settings. First, make sure the app is up to date. Open the Play Store, search for eCourt, and check if there's an update button. If yes, tap it and let the update install. Older versions often stop working properly when the system or backend changes. Once it's updated, close everything running in the background and relaunch the app. This alone can resolve crashing and loading issues in many cases. If the problem still persists, it's best to contact official support. Go to the eCourt website, ecourts.gov.in, and look for their contact section at the bottom of the homepage. There, you'll find email addresses and phone numbers, depending on your state or region. When you contact them, mention your device, the app version, and exactly what issue you're facing. They may be able to confirm if the problem is on their end or guide you to a fix specific to your region. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and check the description for direct links to the support page. Thanks for watching.